Hey everyone, this is Cheryl. Welcome to my channel. Just wanted to pop in and share some items I've listed in my Etsy shop that you might be interested in. The first item is this magazine or periodical from 1877, and it's Familiar Wildflowers, and each one of the booklets have two botanical prints inside. And it appears like they were never really used because they were never ever opened up totally. They're going to be selected randomly though, unless you specify a certain flower color that you like. But this one has the poppy, which is kind of pretty. And in this one, a white flower, and then a beautiful pink in the back. And a beautiful blue one in that one. What's kind of cool too is they have like a section in the back that has a lot of ads and stuff with some cool fonts. So if you wanted to cut it up and use it in your mixed media art projects, that would be great too. This one has a pink flower, like just a green one, yellow, purple, you can always specify if you know if you have a certain flower color that you want. There's 16 of them available. This one looks like it doesn't have a second print in it, so I'm going to take that out. And then this one's yellow. I kept some for myself that were a little more tattered. This one, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty too. And the last one. And then the next items I have are some bingo cards. I love how aged these are. And then some blue ones. And I believe I have 16 sets of each of these too. And the next item I have is this magazine from, these are from 1910, 11, 13, and 14. So you can specify whether you want the cover with the black cover on it or just this one here. And these are kind of fun because they have like little lessons in here how to do magic tricks. And I like the ads too in the back. Are kind of neat too. They'd be fun to use in your journals or you know, mixed media projects. Thought they were kind of interesting, like that one. The original cigarette producer. They're just kind of interesting. I have never seen them before, and then when I came across them, I was like, well, I'm gonna buy all those. Thought they'd be fun. And since they're early in the 1900s, you can scan them and copy them. So I think these are great, and I think that is it for now, but I will be back. I need to do a flip through of my journal for Medieval Mirage, so I'll probably be doing that tomorrow. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day, so I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.